Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'll be showing you the Blink Outdoor security camera. Show you its functionality, why it's good, why it's not good. I've also linked it up with my Alexa Echo, so there's another video you can see here, but let's do a review of the Blink camera. Okay, so what is the Blink Outdoor camera? So it's a wireless camera that you can then link to Alexa devices, or you can link it mainly to the Blink app. So what it means is that you can take pictures and see video remotely, as long as your Blink camera is connected to your Wi-Fi within your house, then you're fine. The Blink camera, what does it come with? So it comes with, two main things. So it comes with a sync module. This is important. So this sync module is the connection between your Wi-Fi and the camera itself. So this is the thing that everything goes through. Okay. So the good thing with the sync module, which I really like, is that it comes with a USB connection. Now that can be an external hard drive. So what that means is that you can upload, you can save videos onto a USB drive. So I've put a 4 gig drive on here, and that would easily take a couple of hours of videoing. So that's great. The other thing with the Blink camera is obviously it's very kind of discreet, quite small, so you can hide it necessarily out of plain sight. Some people may like the black, some people may not. It may not look particularly great against some white houses and white backgrounds. The other thing as well with the Blink camera is it comes with 2 AA batteries, which are meant to have 2 years on them, and that's it really. So let me first of all show you the good stuff, and then I can show you the bad stuff. So I'll show you the app alongside it. Okay, so here is the Blink app. So what you do, and I won't go through it because it's fairly easy, you plug in your sync module, and then the flashing lights tell you when it's connected to Wi-Fi, and then you plug in your app, and then the app tells you when you've connected to your camera. So as you can see, you would have several cameras. I've only got one for my front door, in which you take a picture, and then that shows you where that location is. And then if you want to look at the live feed from it, so as you can see, it will there you go. There's me sitting there doing the review. Okay, if I want to talk to it, I won't do it, but you can then talk through the camera. USB. So what happens is if you plug a USB in and you arm the system, so if I go back here, if you arm it at the bottom there, it means that it picks up motion detection. If it picks up motion detection, then it automatically will start recording. Okay, so this is now pulling off the USB. So as you can see, that's me mucking about, and it gives me sound as well. I can share that, I can download it, I can even delete it if I wanted to. 15-20 clips, and that's taken up on my 4 gig little USB, 1% storage. So storage wise is pretty good. And we'll talk about quality later on. I'll show you the functionality first. The other thing you can do if you want is that you can start changing what they call the zones. So you can start saying, right, I don't want this to be an active zone of, so they say privacy zones. So it means that you kind of have areas where it won't record, which may be quite useful. Re-trigger time. So if it triggers, how long before it has to re-trigger again. Sensitivity, obviously if you go all the way up, it starts impacting battery life, but it's picking up the sensitivity, and you really need to gauge that. So I found sensitivity 5 will pick up something moving from the camera about 8 meters away, something like that. So which is pretty good. Clip length, 15 seconds, and then you can receive a push notification as soon as motion is detected. So what that means is that you can have early notification that comes up on your phone. Night vision, auto. So night vision is pretty good on this actually. So it's pretty good at picking up night vision, audio, speaker volume, quality, best, etc. Okay. Now you can turn the status LED off if you wish, which you may prefer, because you may want to have it so that it can't have any LEDs on the front of it. But that's the basic camera settings. Okay. Now this is the bad thing that I don't like about the camera, is that the problem is with it is that it doesn't have a continuous recording option. So if it'll only start recording when it picks up motion, which is fine. However, if you're expecting something that's completely streaming all the time and it keeps recording, so that let's say it doesn't pick up motion, but you wanted to pick up someone walking past your house, if it hasn't picked up that motion, it won't record it. So that is a downside, and the reason it doesn't do that is because of batteries.
But if I come away from the app, let me show you what I don't like about the actual unit itself.
The disadvantage I think with this camera is that if you've got it within easy accessible sight, someone can easily just pull out this plug at the back. There you go, it's just a pull out plug, and then they've taken the camera away. Okay, now obviously you'll probably be recording them doing that, but it's not something that comes with a strong fixing. Okay, so it is fairly easy to nick. So if you're looking at something that's you know, at easy grab height, you know, potentially that could be a risk. However, all of those are negatives, but what are the positives? The positives are it's really small, really discreet, really quick to set up. Really like that. The quality isn't too bad. I've put it on the TV. At best quality, it's around about 720p. It won't pick up or automatically detect faces or number plates or anything like that, but it is pretty good. I mean, I've looked at the quality of it. It comes with a fisheye lens. The other thing as well, which is great with this camera, is that the actual link with the sync module, we're now 3 floors up away from the sync module. So actually, this is, you know, it's pretty good in terms of connection. So I think it's, you know, overall, for ease of installation, for the cost of it, is pretty good. It does have limitations when you link it with Alexa products. I've got another video that shows you that. So if you want something very quick, something that you can connect to an app on your phone, you know, very easily, for, you know, what it is, 50 quid, something like that, then great. And you can keep adding to it, so you can put more cameras onto it. Disadvantages are there are better quality in terms of images out there you can get from hardwired cameras. Again, it's hardwired, so it's not as easy as this, which is battery and just plug it in. Well, night mode is pretty good. It's pretty good on it. And the battery life, I've had it now for 3-4 months, and I've been making about with it and playing with it, and it's been recording, it's been great. The other thing I really like on it is a sync module. They don't try and tie you into any kind of monthly plan. They do give you that option to cloud save your images and videos, but I really like the way that the sync module can connect to a USB drive as well. So as long as you put that somewhere safe in your house, so it can just connect to your Wi-Fi and it can download onto a USB small stick. I hope that's helped. Please do like, please subscribe. Any questions that you have, please do ask them. And thanks for watching.